In this video, I will be talking about this very important Bitcoin pattern, and currently we are breaking down of this very important pattern, and I will be exactly talk about what this currently means for the Bitcoin price action. I will be exactly go over my price targets, the other most important levels and patterns to be watching right now, and of course I will be discussing the 200 weekly moving average that is of course currently providing massive resistance on the market right now, and in exactly 17 hours from now on we will be closing the weekly candle, and it's going to be crucial to make a close above the 200 weekly moving average. So I will be exactly talk about this and much more, so make sure to smash up the like button right now here. Can we once again smash it up above 500 likes, and even last time around we almost smashed it up to 600. So smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel because we're making more of this content every single day, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And let me start off this video with talking about the CME gap. So the CME close price for Bitcoin over the course of this weekend is 22.6k. So do expect that over the course of the weekend the 22.6k is going to be a little bit of the base price here. Like you can see, once we were trading above it, we got dragged down, and once we were trading below it, we got dragged up again. But usually you tend to be trading around that middle line, or basically set around the CME close price. So do expect that over the course of the weekend, the 22.6k is going to be acting somewhat as a magnet. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see, of course, we talked about the ascending triangle. Ascending triangle on the 1 hour time frame did clearly broke down here, and of course some people are currently talking about a scenario where we could be of course looking for a bull flag. That is definitely true. However, yeah, we are currently looking at a bull flag, but also at the same time we are looking at a significant downtrend here. And yes, I will be definitely take this in account in case Bitcoin is going to be pumping up here and breaks this resistance. Then it will be definitely become very bullish again. But of course, as long as we're not breaking above this level on the top side, I don't think that we should even thinking of being extremely bullish in this market right now. And the reason why here is of course purely because of the 4 hourly time frame. You can clearly see the 22.8k, the range high in the market over here. This was of course major resistance in the market, and you can clearly see we got rejected several times before in the market, and like we did broke above here, we are also currently breaking below this level again, and currently we are retesting it again, potentially as resistance, and this could be of course lead towards a significant correction. Also, we had this very important upward sloping support line on the 4 hourly time frame, and currently we are breaking the support line, and this could be of course catastrophic for the Bitcoin price action right now. And also considering the fact that we're currently retesting very strong resistance, this could be of course well known as a fake out, and Bitcoin can see of course a significant move down from here on getting created. So please, yes, market is looking very interesting right now. If we do break above the 22.9k once again on the 4 hour, it's going to be looking good, but as long as we're not doing so, this could be of course play out much worse than anticipated. Furthermore, we can see on the 4 hourly time frame as well, just like we had on the 1 hour time frame, we formed this ascending triangle. Also on the 4 hourly time frame, we formed an ascending triangle, and like you can see on this ascending triangle, we finally did broke below the support, and currently we are retesting the previous support as resistance right here. And this is of course a major level of resistance, a major level of resistance, and this could be of course once again lead towards a significant correction. Talking about price target of such kind of a pattern, a price target of an ascending rolling wedge is always at the starting point of the wedge. What is in this case going to be a 15% move down here. I am not necessarily selling off my bitcoins or whatsoever for my for my holding position, because I am still going to be stacking more and more bitcoins every single day with my holder position, because I do think that this is the right area for DCAing in towards the market. However, I'm also trading, and with my trading position, I still think we could be of course look for a small little shorting position over here, just like I called a couple days ago as well. Furthermore, if you are interested in trading, and if you're in the US, I would highly recommend to use BitGet. You do not need any KYC, you do not need any VPN, and you can withdraw over 30 bitcoins every single day. So for everyone in the US, check out BitGet. If you're outside of the US, I would recommend to use Bybit. That is definitely the best trading exchange out there with the highest and thickest order book on the market. And also, if you sign up with the link in the description, you will also claim a little bit of a bonus on top of your registration, what only takes 20 seconds. But furthermore, looking at the Bitcoin price section, we can see on the daily time frame, yeah, on the daily we're looking quite all right here. We're forming a significant higher high on the daily, so daily is looking still quite all right. However, I would love to see maybe a retest of the 21.5k before continuing the further way up here. You can also see this is very strong previous resistance, and if we're going to retest this, this could be, of course, a very good entry point for a potential long position. So still, I am waiting a little bit with my long positions. Of course, the other big support level is going to be trading around to $19,000. But yeah, we were also talking about the daily time frame, and if we were looking at the daily, we did saw that, of course, the RSI formed a significant higher high, while the price action formed a significant lower high. So we were already anticipating a little bit of a correction. Significant bearish divergence did got formed here, and actually there could be a possibility that Bitcoin is going to correct significantly from here. However, the levels to watch right now here is definitely going to be 21.5k and of course that $19,000 support level. Furthermore, I do still want to be talking about this this level, of course, as well over here, the $24,000. That is still the main resistance for me to be breaking. Of course, we so far has not been breaking above it, but as soon as we do break above the 24k, then I still will start to say, okay, we are starting to be looking exponential. And of course, guys, I literally warned you guys that we were probably going to see a significant rejection from the 24k. And if anyone did short this one with me, you would have made already over 5% in trading position. So that is, of course, also pretty amazing. Furthermore, I think the most important resistance currently to look at is this very important line right here. You can clearly see this is previous resistance that flipped into support several times, right? Like you can see right here, right? So this, of course, a level we have not been approaching so far yet, but as soon as we do approach this level, I do expect that this is going to be providing somewhat of a significant amount of resistance across all markets. So make sure to watch this level as well, and if you're subscribed to the channel, you will be exactly know once we're going to touch this level, because yes, I will keep my eyes wide open for you out of the market. Then the most important thing to discuss here, the weekly candle close. Yes, it is about to close in 17 hours from now on, and like you can see, this line right here is the 200 weekly moving average, and the 200 weekly moving average is an historical support level. Like you can see, it predicted the very bear market bottom several times before, but like you can currently see, we have been trading below it for a significant while, and currently we are getting rejected by the 200 weekly moving average. So this is, of course, crucial to be trading above of once again here. So if we can close the weekly candle above the 22.7k, 22.8k, it's going to be meaning that Bitcoin is going to be looking very bullish in towards next week. So I truly hope that is going to be happening. But if it is not going to be happening, we officially did not confirm a break above the 200 weekly moving average, and that could be, of course, bring some more trouble in towards next week. Anyways, this was already it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, smash up the like button, and of course, subscribe to the channel. It was absolutely amazing. And if you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.